Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be creating a project to kind of take everything from the previous tutorial series and make it into a project. So if you guys have not checked out the previous tutorial series, it's a scripting tutorial series on Mod.io. It's like a full tutorial just checking out everything. So go ahead and check that out. It's going to help you with making this game because we cover a lot of aspects there that are involved in making this game. So in order to start this, go ahead and press this create game button and use blank template because we want to make everything from scratch in this game. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a game and it's called Hot Grenade. So if any of you are familiar with a game called Hot Potato, this is going to be kind of like Hot Potato, but it's going to be round based. So every um, 70 seconds there's a round that goes through and players can just try to throw a grenade around instead of a potato, and at the end of the timer there's going to be an explosion and the grenade is just going to explode, and whoever is in the radius will lose. Everybody else gets a point. So let's go ahead and call this Hot Grenade. I'll call it Hot Grenade YouTube. You guys can call it Hot Grenade. Yeah, so any region for the server is fine. So now the game is being created. And so today we're just going to be creating the map, and we're also going to look at a basic part of the game. So we're going to just resize it, edit the map, and just get started. So we're going to be left with this initialize script. So let's go ahead and just look at what's going on inside of the game. If you look, we have this player here, and they're just going to be able to move around with the WASD keys. And we can't really do much. But you might notice this map is kind of humongous. And if I said hot potato and you're throwing a bomb around, it might be kind of unfair if everybody can just run to the corners without ever having to have any chance to throw the bomb to somebody. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and press the editor button right here with the three slashes and configuration. This is where you can edit a lot of the map. So in the previous tutorial, we never actually went over this section of the panel because it's mostly self-explanatory and a lot of the things here are not necessary for you to mess with. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the section map, and here you can upload your own tile sheets if you ever feel the need to, but you can also mess with the map's background color, you can mess with tile scaling, and you can mess with the map size. What we want is the map size right now because we want to make it smaller. So right now it's 32 by 32. Let's just make it for now 20 by 20. And if we need to make it bigger or smaller, we can do that later. When you do that, it's going to say warning. We're changing the dimension and it might deform the whole map. This is kind of warning you in case you have a big map and maybe it's a city, that some of your city might get tilted or some of the city might get destroyed. So just be careful. So we don't have anything in our game that we are worried about, so we can just go ahead and do that. And so now the game is restarting its server and it's redoing the map. So now if we enter the world, you're going to notice that it says connection lost because the server is down. So if we press refresh, it should either have loaded the server or it's still refreshing. And you can see that the server is loaded, and now the map is a lot smaller. I can walk from one corner to the other quite quickly. So it's a lot more playable of a map. So now what we're going to do, second thing, is go to the map editor right here. And I want you guys to have fun here because this is not a part that I control. But what I want you to do is just go ahead and create a nice little map right here. And just make it however you would like to and see where your creativity takes you. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to make a very bland looking map. I'm not trying to make anything too special. I'm just going to take this orange carpet right here and I'm going to make that walls. So I'm just going to put a wall here. I'll put a thing here, put something like that, maybe something like that. Put corner here, maybe this will be fun. And then I'll put a couple just like dots. And so there you go. This is like some random map I created. You guys don't have to copy what I did. I just wanted to show you that there's walls. So now when I'm in the game, you see that all these walls are here and I can collide with them and I'm stuck. I can't really go through them. So yeah, that is the first part of this tutorial. All we are doing is just getting everything ready. In the next video, we're going to be diving into the basis of the game, so it's going to get more complicated from here. and we're going to make the timer. So I'll see you guys in the next one.